Alfredes word was that he all the love on the werian non.
I need a very large tank. When you see the historical copy, you'll see why. Normally I have a glove box like this, but I'm just kind of risking it. Getting a little toasty on the hand.
So here is the morning, and we have the 2 pieces we worked on last night in the video. Here is the antler, ready to go. And here is the hardened blade. So let's clean that up and get them put together. Mild steel, isn't it? Looks like it. But what are you going to make up for a finial on that?
with hatten under jan. Hatten herre bestand och bud, Kipan hade handas, skåde fortsatt vidkjøntas, kristnes folkes, oversa adri, vonda normen, alt kuning, abeon, burde vidkjøle, tåpad wet, skirtenas jes, vatni at hier, Antid Alfred Urbian, West har Alfred kuning, je wilden dena. Broderskjald, ja kuning, angel kunis well done. Ja har lagt og netan dune, tog on hie det, om blanda velkurt, av viljet og det skilvar. Ordet Alfred svørde om han har lyder av skilning, jeg falla, og bedne, vil worlde, se halen jeg sier, den hebit vidus, drivat av hundar som Saxon, West var Alfred kuning.